In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new folder in Canva. To get started, open Canva and make sure you're on the main dashboard. This is the home area where you can access your designs, templates, and saved content. If you're already signed in, you should be able to see the main navigation menu on the left-hand side of the screen. From that menu on the left, click on Projects. This section is where Canva keeps your saved work organized. It's a helpful place to manage everything you've created or stored, especially if you're working on multiple designs and want to keep them easy to find later. Once you open Projects, you'll see different types of content available in this area. This may include recent projects, folders, designs, and possibly other saved items depending on your account and activity. Take a moment to look through this page so you can understand how Canva groups your content. This is useful because folders can help you keep related designs in one place, making your workspace much more organized over time. Next, move your attention to the upper right part of the screen. There you should see a plus sign. Click the plus sign to add a new folder. This is the option Canva provides when you want to create a fresh space for organizing your projects. Creating folders is a simple but very effective way to stay organized, especially if you manage different types of content for work, school, clients, or personal projects. Instead of scrolling through a long list of designs, you can separate everything into clearly labeled sections and find what you need much faster. If you don't immediately notice the plus sign, make sure you are still inside the project section, since that is where the folder creation option appears. Also, check the upper right area carefully, because the button can be easy to overlook at first glance. And that's it. Once you click the plus sign, you've started the process of adding a new folder in Canva. From there you can continue organizing your content in a way that works best for you. Keeping your projects sorted from the beginning can save time and make your design workflow